Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, was an extremely very rarest cowrie conch from Indian Ocean. It's a jewelry piece of collection from Indian Ocean. Jewelry piece of collection from Indian Ocean. You can see how shiny it is. It's just only one piece in the world like this. It's a jewelry collection from Indian Ocean. See how beautiful it is. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Top we can see it is unimaginable pattern. It's unimaginable pattern, extreme shiny. It is natural as from the ocean. It is natural as from the ocean. Unbelievable jewelry collection from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable jewelry collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It's an unbelievable collection. Just only one piece in the world. It is treasure of the ocean. It's a treasure of the Indian Ocean. Only one piece. Just is only one piece. Extremely shiny. It's a jewelry collection from Indian Ocean with extreme positive energy and extreme positive vibration. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.